Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Atomic Wallet application for your PC. So if you want to get the famous Atomic Wallet application on your PC, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a preferred web browser on your PC and into the URL box type in atomicwallet.io/downloads and press enter. It'll now take you to a web page from where you can easily download the application for your Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora and much more. In today's video, since we are downloading the app for our PC, let's click on the Windows button. Now, your download process will begin. You'll be able to see the progress at the bottom left or at the top right, differing from the web browser that you're using. Once the file has been downloaded, click it on and your wallet setup process will begin. Go through the installation process and follow the prompts, and you should be able to download the Atomic Wallet app right on your PC. A shortcut will be seen on your desktop for your PC, and then you can now go ahead and open up your Atomic Wallet app whenever you want, create a new wallet or restore from a backup and use it right from your PC. That was how you can easily download the Atomic Wallet app on your computer. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.